With that, ladies and gentlemen, let me invite Ms. Reena Suri, and before I invite her, let me take the privilege of introducing her very briefly to all of you. Ms. Reena Suri, Executive Director with India Smart Grid Forum since 2013, brings over 2 decades of experience in the energy sector. And she has contributed to the various advisory services, white papers, and research reports of India Smart Grid Forum, such as Implementation Plan for Electrification of Public Transportation in Kolkata City, Smart Grid Handbook for Regulators and Other Stakeholders, Blockchain for Electric Utilities, Energy Storage Roadmap for India, Smart Grid Roadmap for Bangalore Electricity Supply Company Limited, Development of Roadmap for Implementation of Smart Grid Concepts, Practices and Technologies in the SAARC region, Study and Infrastructure, and Enabling Environment for Road Electric Transport in SAARC member states, as well as World Bank EV project with EV ecosystem support for Kolkata. I'm going to request her to please address the August gathering. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me bring her on stage. Ms. Reena Suri, with a round of applause, please.
Thank you, Aishwarya. A very good morning to all of you, and namaste to all of you. Namaste, as you all know, is a very popular form of greetings in India and several countries. And looking at the current situation, we will all use namaste to greet each other in the coming days. On behalf of India Smart Grid Forum, I have the honor of extending a very warm welcome to our esteemed guests, respected dignitaries, eminent experts on the dais and in the audience. Ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to host you for the next 3 days at India Smart Utility Week 2020, being held at the Lalit Hotel, which will be a great opportunity for all to learn about new ideas, concepts, technologies, and network with experts from around the world. This is the 6th edition of India Smart Grid Forum's flagship annual event, India Smart Utility Week, popularly known as ISUW. ISGF has been organizing ISUW, which was previously known as India Smart Grid Week, in March every year since 2015. Within a span of 5 years, ISUW has emerged as a global signature event on smart grids and smart cities, which is attended by top-most experts from around the world. We've all seen that how the journey of ISUW has evolved in the past 5 years. We are pleased to share that ISUW 2020 has brought together more than 350 speakers, including world-leading thought leaders, subject matter experts, policy and regulatory leaders will be delivering their thoughts on various topics in 37 thematic sessions. 4 special plenaries, and 5 bilateral workshops. This year, European Union has brought 15 successful smart grid projects executed in Europe that are relevant to India as part of European Pavilion in the exhibition of ISUW. We also have more than 30 exhibitors demonstrating their solutions and innovative technologies. We request everyone to please visit and learn from them and see that what all we can bring for India in the journey that we want to take in enriching our working towards the grid modernization. As a platform to advocate for smart utility, smart mobility and smart city, ISUW 2020 will have 7 parallel sessions, including city gas distribution and water distribution. ISGF is advocating to form collaborations between electricity, gas, water and distribution utilities and share their assets and operational tools to bring down the cost of doing business. We also have the 4th edition of ISGF Innovation Awards, which will recognize and promote some of the outstanding innovations by utilities, technology providers and startups, which will be held on 6th of March here in Lalit Hotel. Overall, ISUW 2020 will be an enriching experience to all stakeholders attending and participating with us here. Many of you have attended past editions of the event, and most have noticed that both the content and the scale of the event has been constantly expanding. We thank all of you for continuous support and guidance to make this show bigger and better. Large number of Indian utilities, officials, regulators and policy makers are present here, and we are sure you will take the opportunity and network and learn from the experts who have assembled here from different parts of the world. I once again extend a very warm welcome to all of you, and we look forward to your support in all our endeavors and in our journey forward. Thank you so much.